Hello YouTube, how are you? So today in this class we will be discussing what is a trading range. For the new beginners that don't know what a trading range is, basically it is the basic structure that you need to understand between your highs and your lows. It's what's gonna tell you whether you're gonna be what section of the graph are you gonna be analyzing specifically. For instance, here the last market structure was this high and this low, and then after this low was made, this high was made, breaking the last high. Therefore, our new range would be this low and this high up here. The important thing about this is that if you don't have these concepts here, it's going to be very hard for you to know why, because you need to know what range are you trading, whether you're trading, you need to know which order block you're trading, right? For instance, if you're trading the extreme zone or if you're trading the decisional zone, like others like to call it the flip zone, correct? So with that in mind, right? If you don't have that in mind, you're gonna be confused. You're not gonna know what structure, where in the structure you're gonna be trading, because in the graph sometimes you're gonna have sort of a crazy, market structure. So with the ranges, help you understand where are you in the market in the moment. So for instance, right here, this was the last low, this was the last high, previously taken the last high, making a new high from this low. And then after this high was formed, it changed structure, giving you a change of character, which we'll be discussing in other videos coming up. Previously, it changed character and price did a retracement to 50%, going to the extreme zone, previously going down, giving you another bigger structure, confirming that we're going on a downtrend, leaving this extreme zone right here and this decisional point. Why is important? Because if you didn't know the range, you would be stuck here between this one and this one right here, thinking, well, price is still gonna come up here. But it never did. It just kept going down. So now we have to, keep going and changing it up. As the graph changes, you also need to change your trading range. Now let's move on to the graph. It's very important to keep that in mind. So let's move on to the graph now. So for instance, we start up here, right? We saw how our range was from here to here. But then with the price, they took out the low, therefore making a new range, which was now what, this high and this low. And then what did price do? Gave you another bigger structure. The range changed. It gave you this high and this low. It gave you another bigger structure. This high and this low. Now this is on the downtrend, remember. Now, if you look at the graph, let's try to find some bullish ranges, right? So for instance here, right? This was the last range, high and low. But this low right here created this high because it managed to break. So now where our trading range should be? Our trading range should be this low, this high. We continue moving forward. Where was the last high? Previously this one, right? So you just cross it to the other side and see where it broke. You look at the low which caused to take out this high, and then you look at the high that was made, which was this one here. Therefore your range is this low and this high. Let's move on now. Now we continue. We see how this low hasn't broken this low. So therefore, what does that mean? That we're still in a bullish trend. Why is this important? The trading ranges. Because with the trading ranges, you're able to identify whether you're in the correct structure, whether it changed. You see, if you didn't have the trading range, you would know that price here never broke this low, so therefore you're still bullish. You're not bearish yet. For the price to be bearish, it would have to break this low, which it never did. So therefore, giving the confirmation that you're still good for buys. And that's exactly what price did. It gave you the buys. So this is just a simple trading range market structure video. I hope you enjoyed, right? And next video we will be talking about change of character. So you guys, can start giving all your confidences in the trading world. And that's pretty much it for today, guys. Have a good one.